Is this about a certain dance that makes you want to poke needles into your eyes? Perhaps?
Hey everyone, ever heard someone say poke needles into your eyes just because of a school dance? Welcome to the world of Wednesday Addams, where sarcasm meets vocabulary and humor gets dark real fast. Let's learn English the Gothic way.
I just saw you come out this way. What is this place?
It's kind of my private art studio.
Private art studio. When someone says this is a kind of my private art studio, they mean it's personal creative space not open to the public. Sound mysterious? That's the vibe.
I cleared it out and fixed it up so Weems let me use it.
How very entrepreneurial. I would love to see inside.
How very entrepreneurial. A sarcastic way to say someone is taking initiative. The word entrepreneurial means showing business skills or creativity, and here it is used ironically.
Why don't you give me a tour? Why don't you give me a tour?
Give me a tour. Casual phrase that means show me around. You can use it anywhere from art galleries to your messy kitchen.
Not right now, it's a total mess.
I shadowed a crime scene photographer last summer. I'm not easily fazed.
I'm not easily fazed. If you are not fazed, you are not scared or disturbed. A very Wednesday way of saying I can handle creepy stuff.
I wanted to go over Miss Thornhill's homework assignment.
She didn't give us homework. Remember? Why are you really out here? Is this about a certain dance that makes you want to poke needles into your eyes? Perhaps?
Poke needles into your eyes. This is a dark, sarcastic exaggeration. It means I would rather do something painful than watch this or that. Like someone saying, I would rather poke needles into my eyes than go to a cheesy dance.
I'm all ears.
I'm all ears. This is one brighter. It means I'm listening closely, very calm and friendly. Now that you have survived Wednesday's wordplay, tell me in the comments which phrase did you love the most? Would you ever use poke needles into your eyes in real life? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for more videos.